Hi, my name is Jay.
And I'm David. And there is something called corporate massage that's a little bit misleading in our case, meaning that when LifeRx goes there, we evaluate the people that are on staff and we evaluate quickly why they're having headaches, wrist pain, back pain, pain or discomfort when they're sitting, and we do treatment on that.
Yes.
And it's so amazing that their body feels so much lighter, and it's just one of the best services we have.
Yeah, and you know when people in pain, what they do? They not focus on the job. They focus on the pain. They do some, I don't know, Facebook scrolling, phone. They not doing progression. They not doing any sparking idea. We want to eliminate that pain from the body. Show them the exercise on our channel. Come in, do assessment, and keep maintaining your whole team and build this up. We have several packages, so grab one package, book your therapy, and the money is tax deductible. So your money is going back. You invest in your team. Don't waste money on coffee and donuts and whatever you guys buy it up there. Buy corporate manual therapy from LifeRx.